How to get the Session application on your smartphone or tablet. Hello and welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're looking to get the Session application on your smartphone or tablet, you can download it for free from your devices, Google Play Store or your app stores. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store or App Store. Once you're inside, go to the bottom center and tap the search icon. In the search bar at the top, type in Session. Once you search for the app, from the search result, look for this application from Session Foundation, which is called Session Private Messenger. Now tap on the Install button to begin the download process. Wait for the application to download and install on your device. If you are using iOS, then you need to authenticate the download with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be installed and now you can tap on Open to launch the app. Now there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Session Private Messenger app on your device. Now you can create a new account if you don't have one, or if you have an existing one, go ahead and log in. It is quick and easy and it only takes a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.